Hello, I'm Olivier Girard, ergonomist, posture therapist and author of the Posture Manual. In this video, I want to tell you about the 3 best footrests that office workers can find on the market. But before that, we need to go back to why the hell we need a footrest. You'll need a footrest every time you don't have the floor under your feet, i.e. when you need to raise the chair, or say when you're too short. But I hate as an ergonomist to tell to someone that he's too short or that she is too short, because nobody is too short. It's the furniture which is too high or too big. But one way or the other, as soon as your heels don't rest firmly on the floor, you will tend to slide forward, i.e. move away from the backrest, and the net result will be that you slouch. Therefore, you need something under your heels to push you back into the chair against the lumbar support, where your belt will find the stability to give your weight to the chair. And if your weight is on the chair, well, there's less on your tissues. This is why it's a more relaxed position when you manage to be like this. So what this means is that the footrest is just here to replace the floor. And if you want to replace the floor, you need to have the same properties as the floor: big, flat, and horizontal. So here are the 3 best footrests. This footrest is a great one, expensive, but great. It is extremely adjustable. You just need to press on the yellow button, and therefore it is very adapted to a workplace where there's a high staff turnover, say for example the cash register at a supermarket. But again, I mean, there's a price tag to get this very easy adjustability. As soon as you need a bit less adjustability, say for example because you're an employer who wants to buy the same footrest to all your employees, they all have different sizes, but you need one model. But that model will be adjusted once to each of your employees and then no more. For that, you have this footrest. Of course, I know it's ugly, but it's big, flat and horizontal and much cheaper than the previous one. Why much cheaper? Because adjusting it takes a bit more time, takes a bit more screwing, unscrewing. The next best footrest is this one, is the one that I've done by myself, which could also be a big book or say a paper block for the printer. Big, flat, horizontal, but not adjustable. Why is it the best? Because it's cheap. There's nothing cheaper than that. And of course, it's not adjustable, but it's for you only. You don't need adjustability. You need to have it at the right height. And then here we go, you know. With that footrest, I'm sitting super comfortable with my chair 4 centimeters higher, because I chose to have it 4 centimeters high. And that's it, end of the story. So you see, the reason why this video is on the 3 best footrests is that there's not one single model which is best for every use case. It depends how often you need to adjust it and what price you're ready to pay for adjustability. Therefore, with these 3 models, you can cover every use case. You don't need anything else than one of these 3, but which one will depend on your very particular situation.